Understanding Non-Stick Pan, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in the kitchen: non-stick pan. Understanding this term is not only useful for cooking enthusiasts but also for anyone looking to expand their English vocabulary. Let's dive in and uncover the meaning and usage of non-stick pan. Firstly, let's break down the term. Non-stick refers to a surface that prevents food from sticking to it. This is especially important in cooking, as it means easier food handling and cleaning. A non-stick surface is often achieved through a special coating applied to cookware. Now, let's focus on the word pan. A pan is a common kitchen utensil, typically round, flat-bottomed, and used for frying, searing, or browning food. When we combine these terms, a non-stick pan is a pan designed with a surface that prevents food from sticking. Using a non-stick pan has several advantages. It requires less cooking oil, making it a healthier cooking option. Additionally, these pans are easy to clean and great for cooking delicate foods like eggs or fish, which tend to stick to regular pans. While non-stick pans are convenient, they require proper care. Avoid using metal utensils as they can scratch the surface. It's best to use wooden or silicone tools. Also, hand wash these pans gently instead of using a dishwasher to prolong their life. I hope this video helps you understand what a non-stick pan is and why it's a useful item in the kitchen. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a great way to enhance your English learning journey. Thanks for watching, and happy cooking!